Okay, sorry for all that noise. That was sound effects and music, which I've turned off. This is my game, Windows game. It'll run on Windows 7 through 10. Might run on earlier Windows, haven't tried it. And it's called The Adventures of Sciman. Essentially, there's a whole series of puzzles that you have to solve in order to get Sciman to the end of the game. Instructions. Object of the game, solve the puzzles on each screen and get him to the next level. There are 5 levels and puzzles on each one. You have to use Flask. Sciman picks these up just by bumping into them. Doors. There's also doors. All he has to do is bump into a door and the door will open. There are obstacles and other equipment on some screens. As you can see, it's here. Also, some screens have poisonous substances like this gas cloud here, or radiation, whatever it is, a monster. Here you have a troll that's moving around. You can hit F8 in order to see the menu. Here's a menu here. Gives you a choice to put in a password. It's only for one player, so doing play wouldn't do anything. You can turn music on and off, turn sound samples on and off, hide the menu. You can go to full screen if you want with Alt-Enter. And the only thing under help is the About. Okay, we go to the next. There's some more information here. Spacebar would restart the current level that you're on. The escape key will exit the game, quit. F8 key will toggle the menu bar on and off. Sciman can climb ladders, and you climb a ladder simply by going over to it and hitting the up arrow key. He can jump. You can use the up arrow along with the left and right key to make him jump. You can also have him throw things and dump things into containers. Usually be a note on the screen saying stand here in order to throw a flask or break something or empty a flask, something like that. Okay, let's take a look. Here is the first level. Fairly simple level here. You can see that there's a flashlight up here. Sciman has to get that flashlight, use the arrow keys and move around. If I go down here and bump into this door, you'll see I can open the door, but it's too dark in there, I can't see anything. So I need the flashlight in order to get that. But there's a poisonous cloud moving around. Go here, go here, go here, go there. Now the cloud disappeared. And now I go down here and go to, boing. Alright, you see I have an acid there. I'll go and open the other rooms and so on and see things there. And so that would be the way that you would go through this. And once you're all done, there's an exit you can go through to get to the next level. Okay, this is a level where there's electrochemistry involved. And Sciman here has to pick up something down there, and he has to put electrodes in, and he has to get the maximum amount of electricity out of this thing. Now you got to be careful, because if you just hit something, you're going to pick it up. So you have to make sure that you don't accidentally hit anything. There we go. See, I missed that. So now if I go down here, I picked up lead. Well, maybe lead goes over here. Let's try it. So I go here.
Uh-oh.
Nope, wasn't good. I made a mistake, so I lost some lives up here. Okay, when you make mistakes, you lose lives. Of course, you can hit spacebar, start all over. And it goes through. There's different levels like this you go through. Of course, if your friend here hits you, you also die. Okay, that gives you an idea of the game. Give it a try. Hope you like it, and hope you play it. You can download it from my website, RTC Games. You'll find a link to it down below this video and the information about the video. Okay, have a nice day, and see you later. Bye bye.